Welcome to the Weather Centre on Saturday, where the morning starts off with some fog along the northeastern and eastern escarpment, as well as along the west coast. We're also expecting some light rainfall in the southwest, but that's very early on Saturday morning. It'll be a sunny and warm day over the western part of South Africa, with another partly cloudy and hot forecast in the northeast. We're expecting some drizzle over the interior part of the Eastern Cape, with cooler weather and the possibility of rainfall for KwaZulu-Natal. We'll also see that moisture push in over the extreme northeastern part of South Africa on Saturday night, resulting in some evening fog and drizzle along the northeastern escarpment. Here's the possibility of rainfall in the southwest, but that's early on Saturday morning, with the possibility of drizzle over the extreme northeastern part of the Eastern Cape, and a 40% chance of rainfall is forecast for KwaZulu-Natal. Then lastly, here's the possibility of drizzle along the northeastern escarpment on Saturday night. Temperatures remain more or less the same in the northeast, with a high of 33 degrees for Pretoria, as well as Mahikeng and Polokwane, 32 for Bombela and Phalaborwa at 38 degrees. 28 as we head towards Bethlehem, a few degrees cooler for Bloemfontein at 26, although Ladysmith remains hot at 32 degrees. The rest of KwaZulu-Natal can expect a cooler day with highs in the low and middle 20s, and we're expecting a similar day as we head towards the Eastern Cape. 24 is your high for Durban and East London, with a fresh west-southwesterly wind for Port Elizabeth. More of a moderate southerly breeze as we head towards Richards Bay at 28, with a 2 metre south-southwesterly swell along the east coast. 25 degrees for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, as well as Oudtshoorn and Vredenal. 23 for Worcester, with a mild Saturday in store, and you'll see highs in the low 20s as we head towards the coast, with a strong westerly wind for Cape Agulhas, a light southwesterly wind for Muizenberg, and then you'll see a west-southwesterly wind of between 20 and 35 kilometres per hour between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, and we're expecting a 4 metre swell along the south coast. 27 degrees for Kimberley, slightly warmer over the western parts, 22 for Springbok and Calvinia, still cool for Sutherland though at 19 degrees. 23 for Alexander Bay, with a strong south-southeasterly wind, more of a southerly wind as we head towards Lambert's Bay, and a light southwesterly wind for Cape Town at 21. Along the west coast we can expect a 3 metre swell. On Sunday, we're forecasting rainfall over the eastern part of the country, with a few thundershowers for Polokwane and Mahikeng, slightly cooler for Gauteng, but with a sunny and warm day over the western and southern part of South Africa. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Saturday.